Editing a point on SoniCloud. From your dashboard, you're going to navigate to your area. We're going to click on Building 11 area. Here at the top, you're going to click Edit. This is blue, so it's ready to edit. We're going to find the point we would like to edit. Click into the point name, and this will bring you to the Edit Point page. From here, you can edit the point name. This number here is the serial number of the meter that this sensor is plugged into. This will tell you the zone that this point is located in. Down here, this is for the transmission frequency, so by default, all of our meters check in every 15 minutes to the SoniCloud site. So if you needed to adjust that transmission frequency, you could reach out to Sonicu, we could adjust it for you, and then we would come in and update this number for you. This tells you the physical input that the sensor is plugged into. So this is an input 1. Down here, you can adjust the temperature scaling. So if you need Celsius and it's currently in Fahrenheit, you can switch back and forth between the two. When you go from one to the other, you will get this notification letting you know that if you switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you need to make sure you apply the correct alarm profile, because the Fahrenheit numbers and Celsius numbers will not line up. And then same thing if you switch back from one to the other. Down here is how you're going to apply your alarm profiles. So you can use this drop down. If you know the name of the alarm profile you're looking for, you can search for it here in the search bar, or you can scroll through the drop down and it will give you all of the alarm profiles that are currently set up on your site. You can choose an alarm profile. You can view the alarm profile from here. You can't edit the alarm profile using this pop-out, but you can see the alarm profile name, if the excursions are enabled, if automatic resolution is enabled, if offline alarming and offline automatic resolution are enabled, the thresholds that have been set, as well as the buffer times, the offline buffer time. And then down here, it's going to give you a visual representation of what these lines will look like when you look at the historical graph. Once you've selected the correct alarm profile, you can also view users that are set to receive alarms for this point. You can see the different icons for the notification methods they have set up. And then if this person was set up via group alarming, you would see a little green bubble here that said group alarming. Below that, you can see the calibration information. Once you've edited everything, you can hit Save Point. Below that, we also have a section for validation alarms. So these are test alarms. If you create a validation alarm, SoniCloud will send out an alarm notification saying this is a validation alarm, no need to take action, and then SoniCloud will automatically resolve that alarm for you. Once you hit Save Point, it will take you back out to your main area.